Thinking about intermittent fasting but don't know where to begin? Let me share exactly how I started and what I learned all over again, now in week 3 of my own reset. When you're brand new to intermittent fasting, the easiest place to start is just extending the time between dinner and your first meal the next day. No fancy rules, just give your body a longer time to rest. A good starting point is 12 hours, then slowly build it up to 14, 16 or more as your body adjusts. Don't force it. Fasting should feel like a gentle stretch, definitely not a punishment. Fasting on its own is really powerful, but if you pair it with a low carb or keto approach diet, it can make it even more effective. Why? Because cutting back on sugar and refined carbs helps your blood sugar levels stay steady, so you get no big crashes that make everything very difficult. For me, using meals like eggs, avocado, nuts, full fat Greek yogurt keep me full for hours. And if you're perimenopausal like me, nutrient dense foods like this can also help with your energy swings and cravings, which can get a bit crazy at this time of life. And intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about how you move, how you rest, how you manage stress. I keep my workouts really simple, a lot of walking. I'll use resistance bands, I do some gentle yoga, even some light cardio, rebounding, or short distance jogging. And these gentle but consistent exercises can help insulin resistance as well, which many of us face in our 40s. I certainly have. And honestly, if you're perimenopausal, bringing in some gentle movement is one of the best ways to help you feel a bit more balanced. Health reset approach I'm using: intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. So today I fasted for 17 hours. I'd done a 24-hour fast the day before, so I just wanted to be very gentle on myself today. And I broke my fast with a pea, a frittata, it was beautiful, and a keto vanilla cheesecake. I've put a link to the shorts playlist where you'll find those recipes. I've linked it above and below. They were so nice. Also did around about 7,000 steps of walking and some gentle yoga I started with for like just 15 minutes this morning. And how I'm feeling right now is just fab. It really is. My energy levels are consistent. My mood feels a lot more stable. And sharing this also helps to keep me accountable and helps to show you that this is about progress, not perfection. So if you're starting out, remember, keep your fasted windows simple. Choose real whole foods, ideally lower carb, higher protein, healthy fats, and add in some gentle daily movement. Intermittent fasting can be one of the most powerful tools for energy, weight management, and balance, especially towards, I don't like admitting that I'm near there, towards middle life. And if you want to stick with me as I keep sharing what works and what doesn't work on my journey, then yeah, you know how to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.